Oppo is working on its own smartphone chipset. Oppo's MariSilicon X ISP and the new MariSilicon Y Bluetooth chip. Of course, these are partial solutions. For best results, a completely custom chipset is what is needed. That seems to be the thinking over at Oppo HQ, as ICE Universe reports that the company is planning to introduce its own smartphone chipset in 2024. The MariSilicon X has an ISP, so Oppo won't be relying on the ISP found in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It supports 20-bit, 120 dB dynamic range in images, real-time raw processing in 4K videos. Using the NPU, an AI can apply different algorithms for noise reduction, better color reproduction, HDR, improved detail, dynamic range, etc. The ISP can harness the full potential of Oppo's RGBW sensor, as it supports the separation of the white channel from the RGB. The NPU chip is capable of some serious number crunching when it comes to AI-related tasks, of course. It can do 18 trillion operations per second, tops, and it's also efficient in doing so, mainly thanks to the dedicated memory. NPU would rely on the system memory, but that slows down the processing time and wastes energy, so Oppo mitigates that with a dedicated memory capable of 8.5 GB per second data transfers. Oppo's second custom-developed chip after the MariSilicon X dedicated imaging neural processing unit. MariSilicon Y is not a successor, but rather a Bluetooth audio system on a chip. MariSilicon Y is one of the first to use the advanced N6 RF process technology, which allows for a 50% increase in Bluetooth bandwidth compared to current Bluetooth SoCs. That translates to the ability to transmit 24-bit/192 kHz lossless audio over Bluetooth. Oppo says that's a first for the industry. Oppo has allegedly hired thousands of people to work on the project, but unfortunately, further details are scarce for now. It will almost certainly be an ARM-based chip, meaning it will use Cortex CPUs and Mali GPUs with MariSilicon designs slotting in for things like the ISP and parts of the wireless connectivity. It will be interesting to see who Oppo picks as a partner in this endeavor.